You definitely want to take a little bit of extra caution if you are going to be on the roads this morning because we did see some snowfall during the overnight hours. Good news, things are drying up. Only a couple spots that I've been seeing on those surface observation maps that I look at that are saying that we still might be seeing a few flurries, but overall the bulk of that moisture has passed. Now we're just waking up to those cloudy skies and definitely strong winds bringing in some cool air for us. Still a few spots under that winter weather advisory. I wouldn't be surprised if this one wraps up a little bit early given that snow has passed, but it is with us until 7 a.m. and during that time we're definitely going to see a lot of plows out doing that good work. Up to the northwest, we've got some partially covered roadways for much of the area. A couple spots right near I-35 that could be completely covered. So if you do have plans to be on the roads this morning, which I know most of us have been spending a lot of time inside, but just be aware things are going to look a little bit more like winter as opposed to the spring-like conditions that most of you are probably preparing for, given that we have transitioned over in that season. I've been watching a couple different sky cams, some bobbing happening out there because of those strong winds that are continuing to come in from the north this morning at 17 miles per hour for Des Moines, but some spots I was showing you with sustained winds upwards of 30 miles per hour and temperatures in the 30s, but feeling like just the teens. That is going to be the trend for today that we will continue to see. Those teens are your wind chill values there for the morning compared to the upper 20s that you really should be experiencing for your air temperature. Heading into the afternoon hours, we'll clear out those skies, so at least you'll get to see the sunshine. You just won't really get to feel it for today. We are going to continue to watch as those skies clear out. In addition to that, we'll watch those winds calm down, but expecting those winds to continue to push on through from the north, bringing that cooler air our direction throughout the morning hours, and then continuing to watch them gradually lighten up, looking at miles per hour in the teens for the most part as we head into the afternoon, and then watching those numbers drop down to just single digits for your wind speeds as we head into the later evening hours, keeping things a little bit calmer as you're waking up for your Saturday morning and also switching the direction of those winds. That's significant because anytime that we switch directions with winds, that's an indication to us of, oh, that means from the south we've got warmer air that will push on through, and we'll definitely see that reflected in the weekend forecast. Your Saturday will be partly cloudy, at least during the first half of the day. 40s are expected. Heading into your Sunday, you'll actually start with a little bit of clear sky, but heading into the evening hours, it looks like we could see a few showers pop up. Temperatures rising up to the upper 40s, followed by 50s as we start next week, and then even looking forward to some 60s as we look toward next Wednesday. But also looking at chances for precipitation over the next few days that will continue to track for you. But as of now, nothing looking quite as dramatic as what we saw yesterday.